BIMT Campus, creating future leaders, means giving our students more than just knowledge. It means giving them real-world exposure. That's why we regularly take them on factory visits, opening the doors to industries where innovation and hard work meet. This time, our destination was the Phoenix Factory, a place where everyday products are made with precision, skill, and dedication. Our students, full of curiosity and ambition, explore the production process from start to finish, from raw materials to the final product ready for the market. They experienced firsthand how teamwork, technology, and commitment combine to create excellence. For many, it was not just an educational visit, it was an inspiration, a glimpse into the kind of careers and futures they can be. BIMT Campus, building futures one experience at a time.
Hi everyone, I'm Abdullah, student of BIMT Campus. I'm currently pursuing Bachelor of Business Administration in Accounting at BIMT Campus. And we BBA students as well as diploma students are on an industrial visit to Horana for the Horana Export Processing Zone, and the company is Phoenix Industries. We all knew it. Phoenix produces seatings, tables and more plastic items for exports and domestic use as well. So we visited here as well as we learned from our theory. Now we are about to witness what we learned. We are about to differentiate things which we learn from the theories and the real as well. And here at Phoenix, the HR representative Harini explained the background of the business and its core activities as well. And also the plant engineer explained us how the production process works from input, process to output, and also export as well. And we also learned new machinery types, how machineries work, the machinery names, new capacities of machineries, and a lot of variants. We students as BIMT Campus, the BBA students and diploma students are really grateful for BIMT Campus as well as Phoenix for giving us this wonderful opportunity to discover the real life examples, comparing real life examples with theories and differentiating things and learning new things. Thank you for BIMT and thank you for Phoenix.